Apollo Ceramicá is sintered stone, a stone material developed using exclusive technology. Made from a special blend of selected natural minerals. Through a process of compaction generated through vibrocompression in a vacuum, the mineral particles are perfectly packed together without the use of resin binders to form large slabs of different thicknesses in a wide range of colors. Through a very high temperature firing cycle, the sintering process consolidates the compacted slabs, imparting the exceptional properties of strength that are the trademark of Apollo Ceramicá. Apollo Ceramicá surfaces are not decorated or glazed, just like natural stone. The slabs are collaborated to the required thickness and then polished, satin finished, bush hammered, sand blasted. Apollo Ceramicá can be fully machined, carved, drilled, and cut to create any shapes and sizes, while maintaining the appearance and properties through its full body. Unique technology that affords the perfect synthesis of beauty, versatility, and durability. Apollo Ceramicá is sintered stone.